In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account from QuickBooks Online. We'll start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the company file that contains the bank account you want to remove. Once you're in the correct company, we'll head to the place where accounts live. Click the settings gear icon in the top right, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is your master list of all accounts: bank, credit card, income, expenses. So it's the right place to manage what appears in your banking and reports. Use the search bar or filter by account type if you have a long list and locate the specific bank account you're targeting. Before you remove it from view, it's smart to check what's inside the account. Click View Register to scan recent activity or run a quick report to see a summary of transactions. You're looking for anything unresolved like unclear transactions or balances that don't make sense. If you find issues, consider reconciling or moving them before you proceed. QuickBooks does allow you to remove the account even if it has activity, but instead of deleting it outright, the software will mark it inactive. That way, your historical transactions stay intact for reporting and audit trails. When you're ready, stay in the chart of accounts, find the bank account again, and click the small drop-down arrow next to View Register. Choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Click Yes. Marking an account inactive effectively removes it from banking menus and day-to-day selections, while preserving all past transactions and reports. Think of it as safely archiving the account so it no longer clutters your workflow. To confirm, it's no longer appearing where you work, go back to banking and then bank accounts. The account you just made inactive should no longer show up in the list of available accounts for downloads or categorization. If you still see it, refresh your browser or make sure your banking view is filtered to active accounts only. If you ever need the account again, you can bring it back in just a moment. Return to the chart of accounts, click the small gear icon on that page, and check Include Inactive. This reveals archived accounts. Find the bank account and click Make Active. It will reappear in your list ready to use without losing any of its history. That's it. You've learned how to clean up your QuickBooks by making an old bank account inactive, verify it's gone from daily banking, and reactivate it later if needed.